this cow. I'm by myself right now waiting for Ate Janine to look at the museum part just because I don't want to climb that many stairs right now and it's pretty cold. It's nice if you enjoy it, just like looking at gardenscapes and also temples. Even if I can't fully understand everything, there are still signs in English naman. Mas masarap siya pero yung milk kasi cow's milk. So, matitikman ko talaga yung cow's milk. Mati lang. Ayun, nag-isa kasi. It's been a while since we got back to the hotel room. It's really cold outside and things close pretty early in this area, especially since it's the holidays, like for New Year. It's now 5:34 p.m. and it's 2 degrees outside and very windy. Luckily, we got to book a massage for tonight. I really need one because my back is hurting so bad from carrying my huge backpack. And from walking around, it really hurts. So I'm gonna try to sleep early since tomorrow morning we're gonna be going to the Snow Monkey Park. And that's gonna start early tomorrow since we want to avoid crowds as much as possible. And we have to switch hotels after that. So it's gonna be another long day tomorrow. Hopefully the snow monkeys will be there and it's not gonna be super cold because I'm not prepared for that. Guys, look at the pajamas that they provide us with. It's so funny. It's like a big Ebenezer Scrooge shirt. Guys, we're loading up sticky heat packs because I feel like I'm not gonna be warm enough. Stop it. Karma. What? Guys, it's my first snowfall, I think. According to Ate, it's not. But I don't know if you can see. I'm a snow queen.
Oh, I don't even know
I'm Elsa. I don't know if you can shut the fuck up. I don't know if you can see, but the snow's falling. Guys, you're there. This is my only #1 wish list. And the monkey's already there. What is he thinking? What is he thinking? Oh, he's just sitting down.
kinuha nung sa kanila.
Ralph, dali, picture ka doon. They're eating off each other's back. I didn't see it pass by between me. Is it good? Wala akong nakuha.
Wait lang, okay na, aalis na din.
Guys, look how cute! Anyway, na-stress kami kanina kasi yung babae nakatabi namin, may free siyang upuan pero nilagay lang niya yung tubig niya doon. Kasi yun lang nakaupo daw time kahit sobrang daming nakatayo na ibang tao. Talaga? Baka racist siya. Anyway, rice. Because I'm so obsessed with him, I don't want to eat him. Tissue, please.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You just... It's my fault. Guys, I'm trying this thing I bought from Style Nanda years ago. But it makes me look like an egg. Pero the vision is there. The vision is kind of there. Should it be like here? It's the vision there. Guys, I kind of regret getting the crampons here. Because they keep slipping off my feet and it makes my feet hurt so much more. And so many people pass me while I'm struggling walking.
Yeah, please. Ay, ganun lang pala.
It's just a bench, man. You still need help going.
Huwag mo naman.
Rob, no. My shoes, my pants, and everything isn't waterproof. So, oh my god.
My feet are dry.
I mean, mine are also. It survived. Time to get these useless crampons out of here. No, si ate yun, hindi ako. I literally don't have hands to do that. I don't have hands to do that to you. Stop. Your hair's gonna... Oh. Stupid. Ram, no! I can't get a chunk. Yudanaka station. It's 2:06 p.m. We just missed our shuttle to the hotel that left at 2 p.m. literally when we got here. So we have to wait an hour and a half. Let's do a little merch haul in the meantime. This from the merch shop. The souvenir shop. I got these ones for me and my friends because that's literally us. And I got it stamped there as well. I also got this one to keep. Pero nabasa siya ng rain. I'm so sad. And then this stamp is from Yudanaka station, but I did it badly. And then we got a lot of monkeys as souvenirs. I got this one to hang on my bag. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung akin dito. I picked it meticulously. Oh my god, it's a bad one. Oh my god, where's the other one? That's so nice. kasi yung free shuttle bus only drops you off sa ski park. Even though it's only 5 minutes away, it's crazy that we're holding all these things to walk in the snow.
That's not crazy.
Well, it's crazy to me because what the heck? I'm not used to this. But it's also nice kasi ngayon ko lang naman ito ma-experience. So pretty.
Chalet Rio Hotel alone.
It's so snowy. We finally made it to the hotel room. Our hotel is actually like pretty close to the ski slopes. Do you call it ski slope? I know nothing.
To the slope.
Okay, so we got 2 rooms and it's pretty big. This one's just a sofa bed, but it's also pretty big. And then this is bathroom number 1. I'm surprised there are 2 bathrooms. Then when you come in here, there's a table and a closet. and then there's a bed over here. It's a king size bed, so it's pretty big. And then this is bathroom number 2 with a huge mirror and a huge bath and shower and another toilet. And this is our view. Yay! Let me see the view. I can't see anything. Wow! Oh my gosh, it's so nice here. I kind of wish I booked this for for a longer period of time. When I was booking this, like sobrang onti na lang talaga ng mga available hotels because the ones I was looking for before got booked when I was already gonna book na. So, ang bilis talaga during the season. But I wish we had time to stay here for longer because by January 2, we're gonna check out and then head to Osaka. So we only actually have like 1.5 days to ski or snowboard. And I don't know how to do that. Like we've never tried to do it yet. So I'm kind of scared seeing people fail and fall. But it's so nice. I'm very happy with this booking. And so far, I got pretty good hotel rooms. Even our hotel room in Tokyo was really good and spacious. Right now, it's still snowing pretty hard. That's why everything you see is white.
Come on.
Also, New Year's Eve today. So, I booked a dinner later ng 7:30 p.m. And then tomorrow, we also have a New Year's dinner. Ralph's too excited to try. He got so excited looking at it.
On them.
Oh my god! The snow is so lakas! Like that, and it actually looks like how it is in videos and pictures. That's crazy. It's crazy. People get to see this every year. That's crazy. Okay, we're back in the room after playing with the snow. It was so fun, and it wasn't as cold as I thought. I learned that it was a snowstorm na pala, like it was a pretty bad snowstorm. But we just kept playing. It was so fun. The front desk mentioned that it's a snowstorm. Legit, ang saya maglaro sa snow. What the heck? Like, people can just do that.
Well, Nicole, you can also just go to the beach and they don't do that.
No, but they can take the bullet train to do that.
Okay.
It's 6:34 now, and I'm so excited to eat our New Year's Eve dinner because it's gonna be like a special chef's course thing. I made sure to book it in advance because I don't think there's any restaurants that you can eat it. That you can. I don't think there's any restaurants that you can eat it. Oh my god!
Eat
Eat. Oh my god! Eat in around here. So I made sure to book that. And then tomorrow we also have another different course dinner in our hotel. So I'm so excited. Right now, I'm gonna write on the postcards that I got for my friends.
その瞬間永遠に時が過ぎても変わらない気持ちあなたが残したよね今の光輝く
This is the entertainment room, guys. 1 plus 1 equals 2 plus 2 equals 4 plus equals 4. Tama. Equals 8 plus 8. Mali na. Equals 116. Kaya niyo yan. Like, what? Why do you know how to draw all of a sudden? Yan lang yung alam mo yung draw. What the heck? What the heck?
I can draw Jigglypuff.
Garitas. Yung daddy mo hindi magaling mag-draw.
Jigglypuff.
Oh my god, cute! Guys, we're in bed at it's 9:45 p.m. Di pa ako naliligo, but I don't know if we'll make it to the new year since I don't really do a countdown here. So
Probably won't.
and we need to wake up early anyway. So good night, happy New Year. See you tomorrow. Hi guys, we're back from watching Ralph ski. The rest of the day, like before I went out, snowboard. We're back from watching Ralph snowboard. I was thinking of going yesterday pa, like I was excited to try it and stuff. Pero pag gising ko, I was really so sleepy and I feel ko na my body was still tired. I was like, I feel like I'm gonna cry if I try it and I'm probably gonna fall a lot of times. And I've seen too many stories of people getting so frustrated kasi hindi mo ma-escape yung slope. Like, there's no way to go but down. But I want to try it next time, but not today. I was so tired, y'all.
Okay, whole time.
Tell them where
We
you
went
went
to the Hokusaikan Museum. Hokusaikan Museum. I got postcards.
Sige, what does this mean?
Hindi ko alam yan. Sinigay lang yan. Walang relevance yan. The Kanmachi Festival card. Wait, they look like this. Let's take a
Ikaw
close.
yung nag-stamp nung nasa
Oh,
likod.
yeah. They were stamped, so I stamped
The
it.
stamps are so nice.
So there's a feminine and a masculine wave. This is the masculine wave. This is the feminine wave. And it's on top of a card. Like, festival card. Basta the festival card is there. It's like huge.
Wala siya naintindihan.
There's a festival. Okay, so do you know this painting?
Was it
Yeah.
displayed there?
Yeah, no, parang yung print lang.
Okay.
So the artist of this artwork spent his last few years in Obuse, where the museum is, which is near here.
It's a town.
Yeah, it's a town. May farmer na nag-commission sa kanya gumawa ng festival cart. Tapos yung ceiling ng festival cart na yun, ito yung sa taas. These two.
Grabe, ang yaman naman ng farmer.
Yeah, nakalagay pa yung well-off, wealthy farmer. Yan. It was like huge. Like, probably like, basta malaki siya. And then the cart was also there. And then also this. And then one more. Hindi ko na kinuha yung postcard on because I didn't really like it. But this spoke to me because I'm the year of the dragon. And then like when I was looking at it, the eye contact with the dragon was crazy. You had to be there.
Oh my gosh, guys, kamukha niya si Bush.
Yeah. And then if you're familiar with this, I don't know if you guys are familiar with this. Yung isang parang, if you saw the picture, you would know. Anyway, this I got like a hanky of the waves. Not the typical waves, ha. The one in the festival card because it was so pretty.
So,
Ayun.
hang natin to.
No, I'm gonna use that.
You're gonna use it?
Yeah, it's a handkerchief.
Wala lang, baka it gets dirty. I don't know.
Kaya nga I bought this. That was my day. Well, my day was kinda crazy.
Okay guys, so the remaining plan for today is to have dinner at the hotel then. That's gonna be at 7:45 p.m. It's 5:10 p.m. Last night, we were so freaking hungry. Like, we hyped up the dinner time kasi nga it's a set course meal prepared by chef, blah, 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 blah. And you had to reserve in advance because they had limited blah, 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 blah. And then, we got there like 7:30 sakto. Tapos biglang sobrang tagal. Like, we got our first course, like yung appetizers. Like, anong time na nun? What time was it?
Oh my god, alam ko na pala kung ano to, guys. Sorry.
Too different.
Sorry. I think this is like illustrations from his like sketchbook.
Sige, sa mo walang kwenta.
Kasi ito wala to dun sa
Kawawa
thingy.
naman yung mga
Pero ito,
nag-design nito.
Girl, ang dami. Hindi nag-design. Drawing nga yan. Stamp lang yan.
Kahit sino bang nag-design nito.
Kawawa
is
kasi hindi ko
important.
na-recognize.
Oo.
Eh kasi nga wala nga dun sa display. So, malay ko ba?
Okay. Anyway, so yesterday nga, gutom na kami. And then, like, 8 something na dumating yung food. So today, sana on time naman sila kasi ang dami na nagko-complain kagabi and nagutom na kami. And the food wasn't even that good. Yun yung one thing that if you go here, you have to prepare for eating and food kasi walang masyadong restaurants around na open, lalo na since it's holiday season right when we're here. But even around, like, there's no good restaurants or convenience stores near because they close early then.
All that's here is snow.
Yeah.
Snow?
And then,
Snowboard?
guys, like, I was trying to look for a convenience store near us, and meron 3-minute walk away. But I read all the reviews. I was like, but ang daming reviews, that's like 1 star. Like, how bad could it be? Bigla, everyone was like complaining, ruined my whole trip. Like, ganon. Like, sobrang mean daw ng owner, sobrang taas daw ng prices, pero wala some choice. And people were saying pa, don't go here. Like, as in, don't go to a convenience. Like, it was that bad. I think my camera cut off in a weird spot kanina, but whatever. Before going to dinner, let's try this pocky Shinshu-kyoho grape. Wait, I'll get the box. Okay, this is the box. Let's try it. I don't know if I like this. Yeah, but parang grape flavored things don't sound good unless they're the grape jellies that we like. Wow. It smells good. Also, it's crazy that it's all individually packed like this.
I kind of want one more.
This is good.
Yeah, that's what I said. I've had 4 of them now.
But it's very familiar in the taste ng chocolate. No, like ng coating.
Ako. Look ah. Wait, nasan yung nag-zoom in siya? Ito.
I thought it was you. Ralph, I was so focused.
Ako ba yan?
I was so focused taking that video. Hi everyone. They're doorbelling now. We just finished dinner, so we're gonna go and try to see the stars since it's supposed to be a clear night tonight. And our waitress, when we ate okonomiyaki in Asakusa, mentioned that the stars are really good and clear in Nagano. So hopefully we see a lot tonight. I don't have any more heat tech right now kasi nasa laundry. Pero kagabi naman when Ralph and I were playing in the snow, sobrang hindi ako nalalamig, which is crazy. This is my outfit siya. Crazy. Drip. Wait, while I was away, nanalo kayo ng crane.
Yeah, crane.
What the heck? Paano? Gusto ko.
One time lang siya.
Okay, so everyone wins probably. Everyone wins.
Ang init, Nicole. Are we going or not?
We are going, pero asan si Ralph? Lahat na. Just go. Just do it. Just do it.
It's not lahat na nanalo. So that's my probability for a person to get it. The ratios, ano.
Okay. What's that? I want her. I want her. Yeah, nakita ko din yan kahapon. Yes, this is my redemption from something we should not name. Ate, can you calm down? Oh my god! This is why people gamble. This is why people start gambling. What the heck? Yay!
Never won before.
Hello, super cute niya.
Pwede mo siya ilagay sa...
Wait, I want that too. Anyway, I got this, guys. That's mom's goal.
Yan, pagbigyan mo na ako.
It's your fourth time, try? Yeah. Mom, it's so hard. We can't see anything, guys.
What? It's my app.
Guys, we can't actually see any stars and parang mas masaya pa kahapon nung fresh pa yung snow and there was a snowstorm. Kasi when it's like this, you can't really play with it. Oh my god, ang lamig. Guys, I was playing and now I'm knee deep in snow. Ooh. Oh my Oh my god. Escape! Just walking around trying to get her steps in. Let's just say bye to the vlog. See you in Osaka.
Bye!
That's gonna be on our next vlog. Do it again. Okay. Bye guys. See you in Osaka. Woo! Happy New Year. Guys, we're back down. Kasi na-move namin yung bunny na gusto ko with our last two remaining coins. So, we're about to pa-change this. We're going na